Hi, my name's Milena and I'm a senior paralegal with the Maryland Volunteer Lawyer Service. Today I'm going to be going over what documents we will need from you if you're interested in applying for assistance with the custody matter. So the way that the process will start off is you're going to want to call our intake line. We'll do your intake over the phone. We're going to ask you some standard eligibility questions. We'll ask about incomes, assets, we'll get some of your contact information, and then we'll also ask about the custody matter. And so the two documents that we typically require from all clients who are applying for help with a custody case are the MVLS application. So when you're doing your intake, if at the end of the intake it appears that you are eligible to continue with the application process, we're going to mail you out the application that same day. So the MVLS application and then proof of income are the two things that we will require. Proof of income kind of depends on your individual situation, what your income source or sources are. For example, if you're employed and receiving pay stubs, we'll probably ask for copies of your two most recent pay stubs. If you're receiving Social Security benefits, we'll probably ask for a copy of the statement of benefits for that year. But we will get into more detail with you when we have you on the phone as well. So if you have any questions about what would fulfill that proof of income requirement, you can ask us on the phone. We'll also let you know what we would need from you if you're receiving some sort of other income source. And then the other thing that we may need from you will depend on what the status of your case is. So if you do not have an active custody case within the court system, so if no one has filed a complaint for custody, then typically all we need is the application and your proof of income. If you do have an active case, then we will also ask for a copy of the complaint for custody, any answers, and counter complaints and temporary orders that have been filed in your case as well. The same thing goes for modifications. If you're applying for assistance with a modification, then we will ask for a copy of the most recent custody order, petition or motion to modify, any answers, any counter complaints, temporary orders. So the same thing goes for those types of cases. And there may be situations where we will need more documents. But like I said, when we have you on the phone, we're going to go into much more detail about your individual situation. If there's anything else that we require from you, we'll let you know what those are while we have you on the line. So if you are interested in applying for our services for help with a custody case or are interested to know what other types of areas that we can help with, you're going to want to call our intake line. That number is 410-547-6537, Monday through Thursday, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Thank you.